Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag Hanging Travel Makeup Organizer with a TSA-Approved transparent cosmetic bag. This medium-sized organizer is designed to help streamline your travel routine with its thoughtful features and functional design. Let's dive in to see if this product lives up to its promise. The BAGSMART Toiletry Bag offers large capacity and organization in a compact form. When rolled up, the medium size measures 11-inch by 3.7-inch by 7.9-inch and expands to 9.5-inch by 4 by 26.5-inch when opened. It features 4 separate compartments, including a TSA-approved cosmetic bag, perfect for travel. The bag is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a swivel non-slip metal hook for easy hanging and a 2-way zipper closure for quick access to your items. In terms of practical usage, the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag does not disappoint. Setting it up for use is straightforward. Simply hang it up using the 360-degree swivel hook, or carry it by the convenient handle, which doubles as a hanging strap. The transparent TSA-approved bag makes it easy to comply with airport regulations, ensuring quick and hassle-free passage through security. During my testing, I found the interior to be well organized, with elastic straps that help keep bottles upright and secure. The clear compartments allow for easy visibility of your items, making it easy to find exactly what you need, even if the bag isn't fully opened. While the bag excels in design and functionality, there are a couple of drawbacks to consider. The main issue is the size. Although the medium version offers ample space for toiletries, it may feel too large for minimalist travelers. Additionally, while the compartments are great for organizing bottles and makeup, the zippers, while sturdy, could benefit from being slightly smoother for more seamless use. Now, let's talk about the value for money. At its price point, the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag offers a lot of features, such as the TSA-approved bag, clear compartments, and well-organized design that make it worth considering. However, there are other similar bags on the market that might be slightly more affordable, especially if you're only looking for basic functionality without the TSA-approved bag or swivel hook. Comparing it with other travel organizers, the BAGSMART stands out for its thoughtful design, particularly the TSA-approved cosmetic bag. Similar products might offer a similar organizational structure, but few come with the level of accessibility that the BAGSMART provides through its 2-way zippers and clear compartments. If you travel frequently or prefer to have your items easily visible and accessible, this could be a great option. When it comes to build quality, the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag feels sturdy and well-made. The materials are durable, and the bag holds its shape well even when packed with heavier items. However, it's worth noting that if you're looking for something ultra-compact or travel-sized for minimal packing, this might feel a bit bulky. As for customer support, I didn't have any direct interactions with the company, but BAGSMART has a solid reputation for providing responsive customer service based on user feedback. The overall construction of the product suggests it's a reliable piece of gear. But like all travel accessories, you might need to test it under real-world conditions to judge long-term durability. Looking for alternatives? There are a few other brands that offer travel makeup bags and toiletry organizers, but none with quite the same combination of TSA-approved features and hanging options. If you're willing to trade some organizational features for a smaller, simpler design, you could find cheaper alternatives, but the BAGSMART offers a level of versatility that might make it worth the extra cost. So, what's the final verdict? The BAGSMART Toiletry Bag is an excellent choice for travelers looking for an organized, spacious, and versatile toiletry bag. It offers solid value for money with its thoughtful design and TSA-approved features. However, if you're looking for something smaller or simpler, there are alternatives to consider. Overall, it's a great option for those who prioritize ease of access and organization. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on more reviews and tips here on Beautyistic. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this bag, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you're packing light or bringing the whole kit, travel smart with Beautyistic.